In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Fortnite black screen on your PC. Now, first thing we want to try is we want to open up our Epic Games. In here, head over to Library, find Fortnite and click on the three dots, go to Manage and press Verify Files. Now what this will do is it will verify all your installation files and look for any errors. Simply click on it and wait for it to verify. After that, try and launch Fortnite and see if it works. Now if it still doesn't work, what we want to do is head over to Google and we want to go to the DirectX. So search for DirectX and choose the first one from Microsoft. Open up this one, press download and simply just install the version. Now if you download this, you'll see it pops up right here. Just open it and it will easily install. It's simply an installer, so you don't have to do anything, just press next. Now after you download this, what you want to do is restart your PC and see if it works now. Now if this still doesn't work, what you can try is come down here and search for Device Manager, open it up, click on Display Adapters, right click on your GPU and Update Driver. Now see if there's any updates for your driver and see if this fixes it. Now if this still doesn't work, the last thing you can try is simply just uninstall Fortnite and then reinstall it. I know this can be annoying, but if nothing else tries, usually this can fix it. So press uninstall and then reinstall it. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.